How to remove contacts from Google Chat. You can do this via the web of the Google Chat or by installing the Google Chat application. For that, you can open your Play Store or an App Store, search for Google Chat in the search bar, then tap on the application, then tap on Install. If you already have it installed, update if it is necessary or just tap Open. Now to remove a contact, first and foremost, press and hold the space or the conversation. Now if you want to delete the space, simply tap on the Leave option. Once you do this, you will no longer be notified of any changes, messages in this space. So if you want to leave a space, just simply tap on Leave. Now if you want to remove a certain contact from the space, tap on the space name at the top. From here, select the option of Manage Members. Then tap on the three dot icon. Then tap on Remove from Space. Then once you do that, the contact will be removed from space. But don't worry, you will easily be able to invite the person if you want to. And just like that, you have made it to the end of this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.